Guys, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. And today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth speaker, how to connect in our phone. Friends, you want to connect any Bluetooth speaker with your phone, so friends, how can you connect? In this video friends, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to connect your Bluetooth speaker, and guys first of all guys on your speaker, so I will on guys my Bluetooth speaker guys. And in your speaker guys, you can see guys this Bluetooth icon guys. So I press on guys your Bluetooth icon, then guys you can see this sound. And guys now we will click on more connection setting, and guys we will on our phone Bluetooth first of all to connect our speaker. Then guys refresh it. So after refresh guys, you can see guys your Bluetooth speaker name. Just click on guys your speaker name. So I have guys the JBL speaker. I will tap here to connect. Then it will connect guys after 3 and 4 seconds. You can see active, and guys you can see sound. It means guys it has connected with our phone guys. You can see this icon. So like that guys, you can connect your speaker, and guys you can use while listening song like that. And guys you want to pick up calls, or you can see this pick up call option. You can pick up call also friends. Bye friends, thanks for watching.